it's my channel. Today we're gonna do the Barbies.
We got a Barbie and a dog and a unicorn.
Yeah, we changed it to the Barbies because the unicorns. I need to see the glass of water.
Yeah, the battery you have in there. What you got?
A Barbie and a puppy
Okay.
and a ball and a UN. You can get
A medal? Yeah.
And a goggles to swim and the shoes.
No,
Your slippers?
And the slippers
And the water.
Like
And towel.
Yeah.
Or you can call it or a blanket.
Okay.
Or
And then you have a
can
diving board
something
too.
You can lay down too.
Okay,
Forgot that one.
So
Yeah.
today we're about to open it. We about to open it right now.
Okay. Yes, you can open it.
Let me got it. Right there. Okay. Oh, hello there.
Open it.
Where did it go? Right here.
We just had to
Oh, there.
we had to press it. I think this is like something.
Yeah, the Barbie's so pretty.
Oh, we can.
Oh, the slippers.
Okay.
Slippers.
We need slippers, so we can put the slipper on.
Mm-hmm. That's so cute.
Here. And a towel.
Towel, okay, towel, or like it.
Okay, that will be right there. Okay, ball.
That looks nice.
Ball. You can do it.
Oh, wow.
And beach ball.
Okay, and the beach ball.
Beach ball, you can throw it.
And a towel. Or you can use it for laying down.
Mm-hmm. The beach towel.
I think you can sit down, so this is
The beach ball. Yeah, puppy.
Oh, show me the puppy. The puppy's so cute too.
Yeah, he's a girl.
Mm.
He's a girl. So.
Yeah,
Her
he's just
name is Beastie.
Beastie.
Oh.
Beastie Hall.
And the goggles.
I'll get the goggles.
I'll get the goggles. So we got everything set.
We need a pool for it.
A what?
A pool.
Oh, I think we can use that one in the bathtub too. But not right now.
Maybe
Yes.
B10.
Pretend, you mean? Mm-hmm.
And then you can throw the colors right here. See that hole? You can put it.
Mm.
Just have to put it right here. And there we go. We got it.
Yeah, so Mama got this one. No, I think Auntie Kai gave you this one, right, baby?
No, Ava.
Was it Ava? Oh, okay. Ava was the one who gave you this.
See, you do it and
Wait. Give that to me. Give that to me.
sandals right here.
And the puppy.
Look. Wait, right
Oh, that's nice.
there. And throw. You wanna throw it? Put it right there.
Wow,
And
that's
the-
cool.
Yeah. And you can put the bottle. See this space? You can put it right here.
Mm.
And then this one. I have these before, but not anymore.
Wait, give me a minute. Okay, there you go.
To go. Oh,
Mhm.
this way you can do like this.
Oh.
And the Barbie can go like this.
Yeah. Oops. Oh, the Barbie. Her leg is broke right now. Just kidding.
And he slipped.
Mm.
Can do it like that.
Okay, let's put this our way. So this will be her pool.
Yeah, you can make this one as your pretend pool. Good job.
And her puppy, and we forgot something. We need this.
It's not big. It has to be small.
But the puppy wanna go here. And then he's the winner. He can get a necklace.
And she can get a goggles.
Like this one. And let's put the dog.
Alexa, can you do this?
I have to put the goggles on. But I did this before.
I don't have a wall, Barbie, so I show you all my balls. That my JoJo see why here.
And is big in her. So he can live. He can do anything.
Or we can call. This we can down and then we can.
Oh, look at Barbie. Barbie is so ready to swim.
Yeah.
So she has her goggles on.
These are big.
And she won. She has a medal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he can get towel for that.
Mm-hmm.
He can dry her soap. She didn't. And he can take her goggles off.
And let's
Also,
add.
also he can use this for practice.
Yeah, so what do you think about the toy? Is it nice?
Yeah.
But we
Mhm.
can add this.
Oh.
See, socky.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the ball? Right there.
So we're not done yet, but our camera's not working. But our camera is not working now. So we bought the baby doll, so we bought the back.
Mm-hmm.
And
So,
So click that try and hit that bell. So share it